shopping assistant gone too far? Background recap. Ria, a 12-year-old, uses ShopSmart, an AI-powered shopping assistant. She notices that the AI assistant frequently recommends the same types of products, raising concerns about bias. Additionally, Ria receives a discount offer based on a private conversation she had with her family, leading her to worry that her privacy may have been violated. Solution 1. Is the AI being fair in its recommendations? How can bias be avoided? Current situation, the AI is not being completely fair. It seems to rely on limited data from Ria's browsing history and her social media activity. This leads to repetitive suggestions that do not reflect her broader interests. Solution: to avoid bias, ShopSmart should ensure that its AI system uses a wider variety of data sources. The AI should learn to recommend a diverse range of products that fit Ria's overall preferences, not just her past behavior. Additionally, it should avoid over-relying on data from specific platforms like social media, which may create a narrow view of user interests. Tip for students: an AI that treats everyone fairly should be trained on different types of data, making sure it doesn't prefer one kind of product, person, or behavior over others. 2. Should ShopSmart access private conversations or data without consent? Current situation: the fact that Ria received a recommendation based on a private conversation raises serious privacy concerns. AI should not be accessing or using private conversations unless explicit permission is given. Solution: AI systems like ShopSmart should have clear privacy policies and ask for permission before using any personal data. Ria did not consent to her private conversations being accessed, which makes this situation a violation of her privacy. Tip for students: privacy is a key ethical concern in AI. Companies must respect personal boundaries and not use information that has not been shared with permission. Always read terms and conditions and be aware of what data you're sharing. 3. How can ShopSmart ensure privacy and unbiased recommendations? Current situation: to solve both the privacy and bias issues, ShopSmart needs to make several changes to its AI system. Solution: for privacy, ShopSmart should implement a consent system where users can choose what data the AI can access. AI should never access private conversations or non-public data unless the user gives explicit permission. Solution: for bias, the AI can be programmed to use a wider set of data points, making sure that it considers diverse interests and preferences. Regular audits of the AI system can help detect any biases in product recommendations. This will allow ShopSmart to continuously improve fairness. Tip for students: ethical AI should not only protect your privacy but also give fair recommendations. Companies should be transparent and let you control your data. Conclusion: in this case, Ria's concerns about both bias and privacy are valid. AI systems should respect users' privacy and should not use private information without permission. Moreover, ShopSmart's AI can improve its fairness by avoiding repetitive, biased suggestions. To build trust with users, AI developers should follow ethical guidelines. Always ask for consent before accessing personal data. Ensure AI recommendations are diverse and avoid favoritism. Regularly update AI systems to prevent bias.